We're going to be having a look at this power supply from OCZ or OCZ, whatever way you want to pronounce that. And it's a 600 watt power supply, and it's the ModXStream Pro power supply. This is an 80 plus certified power supply. It's 80 plus bronze, and it's certified with an ultra high 82% efficiency rating for energy saving, and OCZ mod cable management, arrange a personal cable configuration and eliminate cable cluster while improving airflow. These cables are braided cables, so that's very nice. But there has been a few complaints from other people in reviews saying that the cables were too short, but I think that's because they used it on a full tower case. This is going to be just fine for my mid tower case. Let's just have a look here what it says. Pretty much the same information at the front there. It says here it's modular, but it's only semi-modular power supply because some of the cables are already attached. It's still good because those are the cables I'm going to need. Just have a look at the back here. Oh, it comes with a 3-year warranty. That's pretty much it. And now we're just going to have a look inside and have a look at the power supply itself. So we're just going to open up the box here. When you first open it, there's like a user manual, and let's have a look. What's this here? It's just like a notice to the customer. Put that aside. Here are the cables. Just take that apart there. Now these are the cables that you get with it. It's in a bag. I was hoping to. I've seen some other OCZ power supplies, and they came in a nice mesh bag, but this is in a plastic bag. Just leave that there, and the power cord. Now, it says it's, as I said before, this power supply. Sorry about that. It says it's modular, but as you can see here, there's some cables already attached. And here is a 20 pin with a 4-pin connector as well for your 24-pin power, motherboard power. An 8-pin CPU and a 4-pin power connector as well. Oh, those are the only ones that are attached to it, so that's pretty good. And as you can see, these cables are actually, they're very nice. These are braided cables, and or sleeved, whatever way you want to call that. I usually say braided. That's pretty much it on that, and we'll just have a look at the modular connections. And just need to get into this. Now there's 4 6-pin connector and 2 8-pin connector there, so that's pretty nice. That's more than enough that I'll need. Now we're just going to have a look at the cables that it's supplied. Oh, and some screws to attach the power supply to your case as well. So I've taken out everything out of the box, and these are all the cables, and once again the manual and the little notice to the customer saying thank you. And these screws are silver, but I have black screws that came with my case, so I'll be using those instead of that one there. And the power supply itself. Now the cables, I measured one of the cables, well, I estimated the length, and I think it's about 70 centimeters long. To be honest, that should be enough for my case. At first it does look like they're going to be small cables, but I think it's going to be just fine. If you do have a full tower case, I don't think I'd recommend this power supply. Anyways, I'll just let you guys know the cables that you get with it. There's 3 SATA cables, another 3 SATA cables, a PCI Express, and it has a detachable 2-pin, and another PCI Express, 2 Molex, and a floppy as well, and another 2 Molex and a floppy. Now, so that's 4 Molex cables altogether, 2 PCI and 6 SATA. So that's more than enough for any build you'll be doing. You're not going to need about 6 hard drives. That's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching my video, and please comment, rate and subscribe.